Here's what happened. I was really young, and I had my first child. Either way, I took her home, and I walked out in my backyard, and I held her up to God. I said, make her perfect. And it worked. It worked.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my privilege and honor to present to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Benjamin and Jennifer Grimmer. A marriage is not created by a law. It's not created by a ceremony. Rather, it occurs in the hearts of two individuals. This ceremony is not magic. It will not create a relationship that does not already exist. A true marriage grows out of loving, caring, and sharing all of ourselves with one another. We are observing the outward sign of an inward union that they've already made between each other. This ceremony is a symbol of how far they have come together and of the promise that they will make to each other to continue to live their lives together. Marriage is distinct from love. It is not merely a feeling. Marriage is a deep unity maintained by will and deliberately strengthened by habit. A successful marriage is not something that just happens. It takes work, it takes patience, it takes time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another: acquaintances, friends, companions, lovers, and even teachers. For you have learned much from one another. Now you shall say a few words, and things will never be the same between you. For after these vows you shall say to the world, this is my husband, this is my wife.